unit is nothing more than a standard by which measured value can be described. For instance, in the British system, a foot was just that, the length of the man's foot. System units. There are two different sets of units used in scientific measurement: British engineering units and metric system, also called a standard SI unit system. Both are based on standards. The standard metric system for commonly measured characteristics are listed below: mass, kilogram, length in meter, volume in liter, time in second, electric current in ampere, temperature in Kelvin or Celsius, intensity of light in candela, amount of substance, mole. Temperature in the table above is expressed in both Kelvin and Celsius. 1 Kelvin is exactly the same as 1 Celsius, except that the Kelvin scale starts at the absolute zero, or negative 273.15 Celsius, the lowest temperature possible instead of the freezing point of water. Therefore, water freezes at 273.15 Kelvin or 0 degrees Celsius.